I ain't gonna lie to you fellas. Oops, I gotta reset our bathroom, or our get up tracker, but Ben's gotten up. I am upset this morning, as usual. When am I not? Dude, they still have yet to set up my PA. I'm gonna go ahead and say this on stream now. If you ever use Apex Trader Funding, do not, and I repeat, do not make a mistake, because they have no idea what is going on. I have had 2 people at Apex tell me that my PA is set up. I have sent pictures back every single time showing that it is not set up, and they continue to tell me it's set up. So I don't know. I'm at the point now where once they get back to me about this last message I've sent, honestly, I want my money back. I prefer to have my money back at this point, because it looks like they're just taking my money at this point and never gonna set it up for me. They just keep telling me, oh, it's set up, and I keep sending pictures back and no responses. It's very unprofessional, I must say. I've been told twice, and it's yet to be fixed. And this is day 4 of this, so be very careful. Prop firms like to screw people too, so, and I don't think Apex tries to do that. I think they are trying to be a good trading company, but they still have yet to fix my stuff. And I granted, I did make a mistake. The mistake was mine, but I didn't think. That's why I reached out about it, because I was like, what do I need to do to fix it? If I needed to wait and re-spend another $85, I was willing to do so. They told me they could fix it, and said they fixed it, and they haven't. I don't know. So now here we are, day 4, the day 4 stream, not being able to stream because they didn't set it up properly Friday. Here it is Monday. They have yet to fix it again Monday. It's like they just checked some kind of little box to see if it says, yes, it's fixed, instead of actually going to see if it's actually fixed. Flabbergasted. I don't know about that one there, brother. That one kind of irritates me a little bit. What'd Dan say? I don't need to go liberate. I know it's trap music in the morning. I'm feeling irritated, so inspiration music is not gonna be happening when I'm irritated. And I got nothing to be inspired about because nothing's going my way. I need a job too, Dan. I need you to get on that this week, brother. I really do. I get how Keith is, but man, I can't wait. I mean, the way this is going, it'll be November before I start, and I just can't do that. I know how Keith is, and I get what he's got going on, but dude, I mean, I feel like that's a 10-minute conversation. I don't understand that either, but whatever. I just can't understand anything, so I'm upset. And they won't get back to me because I've hit them with pictures. I woke up to them answering my request from last night, and now nothing. I have checked the system and can confirm that your accounts have already been transferred to a PA account. Okay, so why are they not set up so that I can use them? Why? Why, Patrick at Apex Trader Funding? I'm about to the point I'm about to blast them on social media if this doesn't get fixed in the next day. I'm gonna put it on everything. Because I mean, don't get me wrong. You took $100 of my real money, over $100 of my real money, and I'm still waiting. Watching my eval say pass. I don't understand how my eval can just continually say pass and no PA pop up and they not notice that. I guess we'll watch Ben today because you're not gonna be able to watch me trade because Apex doesn't know what they're doing apparently. So whatever Ben's ready, I'll if he wants to share screen. I mean, I can pull up my sim trading maybe. I don't know. I'm scared to even open anything because then if they do try to mess with something, they'll probably mess something else up and then it'll be another week before they figure out what it messed up. Because I really don't think they know what they're doing on rhythmic issues. Because there's always rhythmic issues.
I shared my screen.
Okay, let me see if how I can make this bigger. Oh wait, I could just do. I should do it, minus the fact it's gonna window capture, so I'm gonna. Yeah, there we go. Yeah, so this is Ben's chart we're looking at now. Sucks that I can't trade, but what are you gonna do? Seems like everything I do in my life lately is just going against me anyway. I can't get nothing, can't catch a break. Everything my own family is always is throwing stuff in my faces all the time. I can't win right now.
That's what family's for.
I need this job. I need Keith and Dan to get together. Things are getting tight. I'm starting to get mentally depressed. And then, you know, it's crazy. I don't understand it too. And maybe I'm tripping. Maybe I have too much. I don't know if it's too much experience or what. I applied for 3 different automotive jobs that I've done before in the past. One was a lube technician for a company, a parts driver for all of these were Penske Automotive Group in Memphis for Wolf Chase, Toyota, I think. And applied for the 3 different roles. All 3 of the roles I have done before and done extremely well. And I got an email this morning that they're going with someone else for the lube tech and the parts driver and the other one. And I'm like, damn, all 3 y'all aren't even gonna give me a chance on any of them? I mean, it's a horrible way to wake up. That's something you don't want to wake up to. Because, like, now it's like, damn. I'm starting to worry. I am really starting to worry. Yeah, I mean, I guess I woke up to no job, no PA account, no money, no nothing. So, take that how you will. Granted, the no job thing's my own fault, so. But that job. I am still happy I still made the right choice. I was talking to a guy that I'm friends with that still works there, Will, and he was telling me that they're still working 12-hour days and he's about to quit too. Because they told him that they were only doing it for a week, and here it is 4 weeks almost after I quit, and they're still making them work 12s. And he said he just, there's too much, can't do it all. And I told him, I was like, I saw that coming. Why do you think I left? I mean, I saw it coming. And knew they were going to do that. So, I don't know, man. Sure wish I was going to work today, though. I really wish they'd get back to me about this PA and be like, yeah, we're working on this. We should have it resolved by tomorrow. That would be nice. I swear to God, if this goes on all week, what do I even do? Should I request my money back and just move to a different prop firm?
Oh, are you doing?
and then blast them on everything and let everybody know how they do. I've got documentation of all of this. The one little mistake that I made and how horribly they've handled everything. I could really make them look bad on the internet. Don't get me wrong, I don't want to do that. I'm trying to give them an opportunity to fix this. But blessed, if I get told by a third person that it's resolved and it's not, things are gonna have to be happening.
Kind of want to go long, but I'm waiting for the market open.
I don't blame you. That's what I'd be doing if I could trade. That's what I would be doing if I could trade.
We are in a little bit of a downtrend. We're under the previous close, under VWAP. Got a micro little trend up here, which is why I want to go long.
Yeah, it looks like it's building up to break through.
I feel like it's time for a trend change, and we're just gonna pump all day.
That level up there.
All-time highs, Bella. We're going to the moon.
Oh.
80% off sale.
Look at it. Yeah, I love how they pop that up on your NinjaTrader, but they can't even set up my PA. I hate this company. Watch them. If you ever use them, watch them, because they will screw you. Just watch them. I ain't gonna screw me. I'm already on it, and I got documentation. I will take this to the trading. I'll take this to the high up.
He's got documentation.
I'll shoot all this to the what's the trading commission? I swear I will.
Here we go. If we break this trend line, we weren't so close to the open, I'd be going long. Of course, we might get smacked back down. Who knows?
Sim trade it long.
Who knows?
You can sim trade the long.
Yeah, then I'll forget I'm in sim, and I'll be trading for real, thinking I made $1,000, and I made nothing, and I'll be like, why did I sim trade?
Okay, so either they're watching the stream or something else, because they just refunded me my $85. So I guess I'm moving to a different platform.
I mean, see if you can go to your signature link again and pay for the 250 account this time instead of the 25K.
Well, I don't want to do anything until they respond to me and tell me to do that, because then it's just going to make the situation worse. And they've just
question. I got the refund, so can I now purchase my 250K account? I mean, I have to think of everything, Bella.
Okay, wait a second. I might have a new message from them.
Maybe so.
Let me see what he said.
Getting rejected by this trend.
Oh.
I zoom out. We're making a little triangle here.
Okay. Alright, so I got an auto receipt, but no. I mean, dude, like, so why didn't y'all just tell me to do this the first time? Ay. See, here's what we're talking about. See, this is what I'm talking about with this company. They're small, I guess, and they just don't know their processes. PA refunded. Now they're gonna be like, nope, you watch. They're gonna be like, no, we just don't want you to work with us anymore or something. All right, now this is about to go. This is starting to. I'm about to. Okay. I was refunded the $85. Do I now make sure I've clicked the right 250K link and repay the fee? Okay, so they refund. I just don't understand what we're doing here, boys. And it's definitely not showing on my credit card either. I'm gonna have to, man, these people. Okay, I was refunded. I'm gonna. And repay. I got a yo, I'm gonna be upset if I work through this eval just for them to tell me I'm screwed. I'll blast that all over the internet. They better fix this for me. I'm putting it everywhere. Goodness gracious. Now I'm about to be on another $85. I haven't even received the first $85 they sent me back. I mean, I know that's gonna take a few days. I got a receipt though, so I mean, I can make some things happen on that if I need to. I'll get my lawyer involved if need be. Or figure out how to get one. See, here's the problem. And they're not getting back to me. See, so like they refunded. So somebody saw this problem I'm having, but has yet to respond about what I should do. Oh my God, folks. Hey, look. I literally just got out of customer service, and this kind of stuff, this wondering thing that customers never happened when I did customer service. They knew exactly what was happening. I told them, hey, look, give me a minute. I'm refunding your order, handling everything. You'll have an email shortly. I want you to see it while you're on the phone with me. It's not hard. It ain't hard. It's just, I don't know what's going on. I'm getting irritated. I'm scared to pay an $85 fee with them. Again. The first... I mean... I don't understand why we didn't just do this the first time if this was... Bravo, folks. Bravo. All this to trade one. Yeah, I don't understand it. I asked him. See, look, so the first guy, here's what I said the first time. And, I just basically told him what happened, won't remove. They explained it. I thought it was situated. That was Friday. Yeah, Friday morning. Yeah, I've applied the payment to your 250 account. You should notice that the PA will be activated soon. Great. Thank you, Mike. Excellent customer service. I hyped him up. I'm pleased to have been assistance. I left Mike a great review. Mike, and then this was Saturday. Do we know a timeline on when the PA will activate? I know it's usually 48 hours or less. Is that business days? Just curious if I'll be able to use it Monday. Then I get a guy named Patrick who doesn't even spell my name right. Thank you for reaching out. I've checked the system and can confirm that your accounts have already been transferred to a PA account. So then I sent him rhythmic photo showing my evals still set up this morning. I sent him a picture of my agreement showing the PA agreement for 42 has been signed. Sent him a picture of NinjaTrader Connected showing that it is still my eval. I've sent him a picture of my dashboard showing the 25K. I showed him a picture of my PA dashboard not showing anything. I get nothing. Then I get this email. And then so then I was like, okay, I was refunded $85. Do I re-sign up? It's like stupidity. It's got to be. Or I don't understand what else to do. And my eval's still showing as passed. See, there's my eval. My dashboard's still showing the 25K PA fee there. And that's what I asked him. Which one is that on this? Get this bigger. Yep, let's find that. It's 42. I don't want to repay $85 just yet. It pops up 250K. Yeah. So and why can't they just be like, yes, just do that and it should fix itself? Alright, well then I guess take my $85 again. Let's try it one more time. Oh yeah, I'm gonna do it. Give me just a second. Let me go get my wallet. Can't believe it. It's always something with these people. Like, this is not what I need when I'm stressing about finding a job. Just need some smoothness, dude. Like, everything that I do when somebody else is involved, I make it seamless for them.
Trying to fake us out. They tried to break this trend and then immediately fell it back down. But we're holding. We're making higher lows. And we're 12 minutes to the open.
Hold up. Before I type in all my card information, let me screenshot this for them. Print screen. Alright. Where's paint? Paying proper 250K PA fee. Pictures.
This is on the screen's popping up on YouTube, so maybe you don't want to.
No, that's fine. There's nothing on there.
Do that on your other screen.
No, this is paint. This is just a screenshot. Nothing's in there. But yeah, you're right. I have it on the other screen.
What are we doing today? We had durable goods that kind of sold things off this morning, 7:30. We were gapping way up. Sold us off, so now we're gapping down.
Alright, I can't wait for them to be like, oh yeah, you should have done that. We were going to give it to you for free for all the trouble. I'm going to be pissed off at Ben. Alright. Paint. Give me paint one more time. And paste.
Not much happening newsworthy. 9:30 is GDP. So, shouldn't be too volatile of a day. Crypto's selling off again.
Oh yeah, it took my money. Oh yeah, they love to take your money. It's instantaneous. Alright, boys. Got a new picture coming with some new stuff on it for you. Where is it?
I mean, if you get the email saying your account is being set up.
I got that email the day I passed my eval. And it said it was getting set up.
Yeah, but what did it say? The 25K is getting set up, or the?
No, it said 250K is being set up. That's what I'm saying. I really don't think they know what they're doing.
Maybe it's on there and they set up the wrong account or something.
I paid the new fee. I need this resolved as possible. As soon as possible, please. Possible, please, and thank you. I paid the proper. Alright. It keeps asking me how I rate the support. I trust them. I have conducted a review of our system and changed circumstances surrounding your accounts. I would like to extend my sincere for any misunderstanding, as I have been unable to identify the issue. It appears that you've made a payment in front of this charge. I kindly request that you file the instructions for the payment for your PA. It is important to understand. Okay. Okay, alright, well Patrick said to do exactly what you basically said, so maybe they can get this fixed now? Maybe? Let me see here, I got another... Congratulations. Oh my goodness gracious. Hey yo, I swear to Bob, y'all, if it was all of... Thank you, Patrick. I don't know why whoever Mike F was didn't tell me to do that the first time. Thank you, Patrick. It's already fixed. It's already set up. All of that. Patrick could have told me to do Friday, or Mike F could have told me to do Friday. Thanks, Patrick. It's fixed. Thank you, Patrick. Alright. Now let's go see if it's set up and everything else. Let me go.
Going up. We may hit go green before the market open.
Y'all give me a few minutes here. I don't know if I'm gonna. I still don't know if I'm gonna trade today with everything that's happened. But
This long because I said I wasn't gonna trade till the market open.
let me see if it showed up on my Rhythmic already. Thank you, Patrick. Oh yeah, it's already set up. Okay. All right, boys. Well, that changes some things. Let me thank you. Let me thank Patrick, and let me. Where is Patrick? Patrick, I understand. I understand. I'm surprised I was not told to do this Friday. It is showing now, and things are resolved, I believed. Thank you.
But it's too late, and I am going to a new prop firm.
Not yet.
You can have this account back. Keep the money. I'm gone. I'm out of here.
Now, when I'm one of their biggest traders on the planet, then, well, yeah, I might do that.
I'm out of here.
I understand. I'm surprised I was not told to do this Friday. It is showing now, and things are resolved, I believed. Alright, how do I close this ticket? Where's the button? There's a button somewhere. At the bottom. Mark is solved. Alright. Alright, temporarily, folks. I'm going to have to pull Ben off the screen. I want to see if it's showing on my NinjaTrader. Can we... Wait a second. I just had a curious question. Where's my NinjaTrader at, first off? Second off, if I show window capture, yeah, it'll show Ben's screen, me, and him at the bottom. Yeah, we'll do that. That'll work. Alright, folks, fingers crossed. I don't have no lines set up. I'm gonna have to be smart and patient this morning. I wasn't expecting...
A little bit of a retrace before the market opened.
I wasn't sure if I was gonna get to trade today.
Getting bought back up.
Alright, Dan, now we're going to inspirational music, Dan. I don't know if you can hear me still, but now that I'm trading, let's go. Music.
Right in the middle of Friday's highs and lows of the day. Right at previous close.
Oh yeah. It's trying to connect.
Kind of a weird
It's there.
day.
Dude, all of that when it could have just been refunded and repaid for Friday. Thank you guys. Thank you, Patrick. Mike, I don't know what the heck, Mike, but we're going to have to work on our customer support skills. We don't seem to know how Apex Trader funding works. Alright. That's cool. That is cool. I'm glad we can actually... I got 4 minutes to do some line setup and some paying attention.
I'm thinking...
There's no news today during open that will be on, right? I didn't think that's on.
Yeah, not until 9:30.
Okay, so there's the previous close. Previous open.
Remember, base hits add up.
Yeah.
Patience.
Patience is the biggest thing.
Don't let FOMO take over.
Okay, there's our high. Here's our low. Or in that vicinity. Not my best line placement. Ah, son of a... Oh, wow, we went lower than that. This is a choppy range we had Friday. We're right on, almost at, like, right at bouncing off close, basically. All right, boys, 8:28. What are we gonna do? Now, with a PA, it's a normal drawdown until I get it to 256, 600, right?
I mean, what do you mean normal?
Like it's
always 6,500 no matter where you are until you get to 266.
And then it would stop, and you
it's 6,600 in drawdown.
Plus whatever you gained.
Yeah.
Got you. Okay. Close paint. Which cat is this? That's Stella. I can tell by the hair. Oh, Stella. Alright, Stella, we got 2 minutes to open. In time. Patience. Make the right decisions.
Get him, Bella.
What are we looking like on this? 5 minutes looking bullish in a way, but kind of bearish.
Yeah, I don't know what we're gonna do.
Yeah, that's weird.
We're open with a little gap down, it looks like.
Patience, take our time here, folks. There's no rush. We wait for what we like and what our level is. 1 minute to open.
I don't know.
15 seconds.
I'm looking for longs, though. How to stay positive.
And we're open, folks. 60. She's bouncing around, trying to figure out. Oh, she's dropped out a little bit. Dropped out pretty heavy. A lot of shorts got in, too.
Weird. Are the futures lagging, or the futures didn't drop out?
I don't know if it's lagging or if that's just a hold stick, or if it knows that it's going to curl around. Yeah, futures are...
I think my futures are lagging or something. It's very weird. Or rhythmic is lagging. Something seems like it's lagging.
Shoot, your chart looks completely different from my chart.
I know, that's what I'm wondering. Why? Is mine lagging?
Or is it me that's lagging? Because I'm the one that just has a new PA set up. That's scary.
Yeah, I'm going to shut my Ninja down and open.
Actually, mine looks right.
It did not follow what the cues were doing.
On the right chart, right? Yep. That looks about right. Yeah. I think Weeble was kind of lagging there for a second.
We didn't go to the close. We just sold off out of the gate.
My Weeble and my Ninja are kind of matching now. A little bit. But it's not holding the down either.
Yeah, I got bought up.
Do we buy down here right now? Sure seems weak on the up right now. We're gonna wait. This first 5 to 10 minutes is usually. Look at that. Just started a leg down, way down below the next leg. Weeble's weird.
Peter. I'm going along. See if we can get something out of this.
Yeah. Oh yeah, you went the right direction.
Order filled.
Yeah,
Come
I
on,
don't know
baby,
where
let's go. Let's
Right at
bust through.
VWAP.
Come on, bust through it. Yep, 70s. Come on, baby.
Order
close.
filled.
I'm done for the day. I made 12.35. That's it for me, boys. All right.
Nice.
Well, that's what you can
Make
do. I just want to
557.
preface that trade that I just took with very opposite of what Ben does. I was a lot of risk
They
involved
took
with
the
my
same
trade.
trade. Just
Yeah.
took 5 contracts.
Yeah,
and I took one.
basically. I put my risk a lot higher than he did, but I was right.
Yeah, it just went green.
I'm done for the day. 12.35 is almost
Oh, strong.
exactly what I'm looking for on a daily basis. $1,000 is kind of like my PA daily run. That's kind of what I'm looking for every day. So it's easily doable with 5 contracts, 10 points. You're there. You can also do it with my 2 contract thing that I've got going on in about 3 to 4 trades. So those are going to be my strategies. I'm going to run a 5 and a 2 contract strats depending on the day, if it's choppy or if I feel like it's got a lot of oomph and it's going to get me a good profit. That's a good start. I mean, we're taking that. I am done with the PA. We will sim trade with Ben.
That's the same strong.
But now I think I'm going to make Ben's screen big again, so let me hide this temporarily, and then I'm going to bring him up into our main thing, and there's Ben's screen. Alright, come on, boys. That was a good start to a day. We needed that. Let's go. That moved our drawdown up, though, so we got to keep that in mind. Tomorrow, you know, we even though we got up, we got to remember that we can't dip below. Basically, every day for the next 10 days straight, basically. I really need to have green
You
days.
see the trade I took where I got in here, 19,765. I think I took like 15 points.
Yeah.
And we went up all the way up to here,
I
almost
took-
double them.
I think I took 13 or so, right after.
But here we are back at the close. We're gonna hold, or we're gonna go through and go to VWAP. Oh.
I would also like to point out that Corey has not been out of his seat this morning. Look at that. I'm in a better mood. First good trade on a PA. Woo! Look at that stick retracement. Look at that.
Down to VWAP. Going through VWAP.
Whoa! Hey, yo, why is Weeble got a... I bet my Weeble's lagging. It's got to be. Yeah, so my Weeble was lagging. Is it going to go through it? Yep. Went tusted under it. Yep. 72. 70. Oh, it likes it. It wants to go lower.
Order
I don't
submitted.
know. I went long. I'm thinking.
Buddy,
Oh.
why would you go long?
I thought that's what we were doing. I thought we were.
It'll probably retrace now.
Yeah, go
but
bouncing back a little bit.
come on, baby. Go back. Go back up there.
Bounce back more than that.
Go back up there, baby. Come on.
Uh-oh.
No, wait. You might be all right. Come on, baby. We're going back up to highs.
Order
Yes, sir.
canceled.
Yes,
All
sir.
right. I think I'm done. I didn't like that price action.
You're nervous, huh?
I'm at 739 on the day, which I'm happy with.
That's
the
a
base
great.
hit.
Yeah, that's a good hit. That's a good. That's not even a base hit. That's a good day.
Yeah, I mean, it's not like it's 739 that I can deposit into my account, but it's 739 towards the positive.
I'm gonna keep sim trading for a little bit. It's only 8:36. I'm not gonna leave you guys. I know we said 8 to 9. We'll hang out for at least 8 to 9.
Bouncing off the close.
I need- Dan, if you can hear me, please try to talk to Keith today, if possible. I know Friday didn't go as planned. I'm also gonna see what else I can make happen today. I need to make some cash to survive on. I might have to go see if my parents need any help around the house or something.
Looking like we're gonna go back to the close and go green.
I wonder if if I could still DoorDash. I wonder if my Dash app is still set up. I mean, worst comes to worst, I could make $100 doing that, probably.
We're green on the futures and the Qs.
Yep, it's great. I'm actually gonna go long on a sim trade. Let's just see what happens. Where's my main chart? That's not my main chart. This is my main chart. We're on sim. Make sure we're on sim. Alright.
Order filled.
We're gonna let it ride, folks. Let it ride.
Nice. With a bit of a nice long
I think it's gonna break through it when it breaks through it. I could be wrong though. It's trying to test levels. We want to be a Green Day. Don't you forget it. It's coming to stop me out first. It's gonna stop me out on this sim trade. That is crazy. Come on, sim trade. Come on, sim trade. Come on, sim trade. Let's leg up. I mean, bounce off that average and close. Let's go back higher. What are we doing? Oh man. It might stop me out of this trade before this goes back up, boys. I honestly don't. Okay, there we go. We got a little bit of a retracement. We needed that. No, oh no, not for a leg down. Yeah, that's gonna stop me out of this trade. Why is my 5 cell looking like it's at less than 10 points? Why is that? No, it's not. Wait, it does look like it is. What's my stop loss set at? Break through it this time. Break through it this time, you motherless goat. Come on. Let's go back to the 30s. Oh, man. It's getting smacked down up here, boys. Okay, we got some oomph in us. We got some oomph. Come on. Break through it. Golly, it's getting smacked right here. This is a bounce point. What is up with this resistance? Get through it. It might be a red day, boys. It's going to be a red day. I think I'm going to be wrong on this trade. I think this thing's going to drop out in a second. Because it can't get over the hump, and so it's going to go the opposite direction. It's definitely about to stop me out of this trade. GG's. GG's, brother. Wow.
Stop filled.
Yeah. I mean, shit. It did drop out like I thought it would. I probably would have reversed positions if that was a real trade, because it was looking bear flagging to me. But what are you gonna do? I want to find out why my 5 contract stop loss is set at 40 points. It is 10 points. Yeah, that's 10 points.
40 ticks.
Yeah, 40 ticks. I mean. Look at this choppiness this morning. I'm glad I made my money early and out. Because look at this.
Far, making higher lows, though.
You thinking it's going down?
I think it's holding up. I think we're going to go green.
Okay. I'll get in long again. We'll move our
I
stop.
think
Order
it's gonna be
filled.
a
I'm going to move our stop down
green day overall, I believe.
to 20 points this time. Or so. Close to that. We'll give it some range to play around in. Let's see if Ben's right. I guess I'll let you see his face while I watch that, huh? Yeah, y'all can see his face down there now, sort of. I don't know, man. She's testing lows like she wants to drop out. She made 4 highs, or tried to go up 4 times to make highs. I got a feeling she's about to short. Why do you think she's bulling?
As we're making higher lows, we're just fishing for orders, and I think it's just gonna.
Yeah,
Stop
there
fill.
it goes. I'm stopped out again.
I think it's gonna hold.
I don't think so. I think we're going down today.
No. Giving the longs another opportunity to get back in.
I'm honestly gonna short it.
Order filled.
Shorten it, folks. See what it does. This sim trade is not going well for us at the moment, though. My sim account hates me at the moment because it's like, dude, you're not actually paying attention. You're not trading for real. You're just bulling. You're right. I am bull crapping. But come on, then. Let's make new lows. Prove me right. Let's go. Break through it. Get through that pivot point like it's nothing. That's a fake pivot. Yeah. Go. Give me my profit. Give me my profit. Lower lows. Let's hit the teens real quick. Come on, teens. I should probably take this because it is looking weak down here. But it also could just drop out pretty instantaneously in a second. So we'll stay in it short. I think it wants to go down there. It's just gonna need some oomph to go down there. A bit of a retracement and then smack down. Now let's make a big leg down to the teens here. Come on. To the teens, baby. To the teens, baby. Come on. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah. Teens. Yeah, yeah. There we go. There we go. Come on. Give me this. Give me this. Give me this 20 points. Come on, baby. Come on, 20 points. Ah, you motherless goat. I mean, if this was a real trade, I'd have already taken that 10. 100% I'd be done and out. But we're going to let it ride. This is a sim. Come on, sim. Give me single digits, and that's my profit. Single digits. Come on, baby. New lows. Come on. Get down there. You son of a motherless goat.
They're low on the Qs, but not on the future.
There it goes. Come on, baby. 16, 17, and then it goes against me. You son of a motherless goat. I'm going to take my 14.
Order filled.
Get back some of my sim trading losses that we've taken this morning. Oh man, we're down to 2 viewers. Who's our 2 viewers? It must be us. Oh, for one, I don't have our YouTube up. That's me for one. Also, the other one is also me because I don't have. Yeah, Money Monday. Yeah. Oh, on a completely different, unrelated note, my Titans ended the. On a completely unrelated note, my Titans ended their preseason 4-0. Proud of my boys. They played very well. I got a good feeling about this year. I got a good feeling about it. I think we may this may be our year, man. This may be our year. I don't know, but it may be our year. It may just be our year, folks. Alright, let's see what's popping off. So what are we gonna do? Y'all think we're gonna stay down here and hang out down here? You think we're gonna make another low? Oh, we're making another low, bud.
Yeah, new low. New low of the day.
You know, sometimes it's awesome to be right, and other times it's not. I tell you, when you're right about something that's not good for you. Like me being wrong about Apex Trader Funding this morning. That was a nice thing to be wrong about. Again, thank you, Patrick, for getting this resolved. It was an easy resolve that we could have had resolved Friday, but I'm glad I got Patrick this morning. Thank you, fellas. That's what I thought was weird when Mike said he could transfer the payment. I was like, how is that possible? Another low. Or bouncing off open. What are we gonna do? I'm gonna go long down here. Where's my big chart?
Order filled.
Alright, boys. I do think we go back up on this bounce point. I could be wrong. But I think she's got a little bit of a stick in her. Starting to think I was incorrect. She's trying to come lower. Goodness gracious. Yeah, I'm about to get stopped out of this trade. Son of a motherless goat. Wow. Nope, never mind. we're green. Come on, baby, leg it up. Here we go. This should be the bottom. At least for a leg up. Come on. I know this is the bottom for at least a little bit of a retracement leg. You're full of it. Glad I'm not really trading. Just kind of bulling, because this is, I might be wrong. I don't know. No, I think it's going to come back. It's coming back up. It's failed to the downside a few times here. Oh my God! Never mind. It's stopping me out. Oh wow, dude. This market today. All the weekend stuff's got to get sold out. There's my stop.
Stop filled.
Too low.
Just going lower, boys. Just going lower. See, here's the thing. If you're watching this, if you can see that move, so like me, for instance, Ben thought it was going up. I was pretty confident it was going to go lower based on what I saw.
Or new lows.
If I was a good trader and confident in my own self, which I am, but I'd already made my money, I would have got in somewhere up at around this pivot point line on a short and caught all of this movement. I mean, that's thousands of dollars right there with 5 contracts. It's also, if you're wrong, thousands of dollars in loss above that. So keep that in mind. Also, you could taper your contract sizes, which is what's called risk management. It's one of the ways you can manage your risk. I have a lot of risk right now how I'm trading, what I did this morning on my PA. It's a lot of risk involved in that. Because if I'm wrong, I'm instantly out $1,000. But if I'm right, I'm up $2,000 or whatever profit I took, $1,200 today. Same thread, different cloth. 2 contracts, for instance, on this same exact scale is $80 per point. No, $40 per point, excuse me. 2 contracts. It's $20 per contract per point. So 5 contracts is $100 per point move. 2 contracts is $40 per point move. So if you're down 10 points, you're only down $400. 20 points, $800. So you could have a bigger stop loss. Let's say a 20-point stop loss at $800. So if you're partially wrong and let's say you get in and it still comes down a little bit before it starts its uptrend when you're long, you give yourself some cushion and wiggle room for it to move around in before it stops you out of the trade. So that's kind of how you manage your risk. On days like, and there's days and levels to this. Some days is good days to trade 2 contracts. Slow trading, catching trends, catching the moves properly. Other days, like today with the start, when we had some big volatile sticks that I felt confident were going to go the direction it looked like it was going to go, are good days to trade 5 contracts where you can make a good amount of profit pretty quickly. There's also what's called consistency rules with PAs on Apex Trader Funding, which basically is kind of like a 30% consistency rule. So you can't make a lot of money. So I couldn't make, if I had a $3,000 day today, right? Let's say down the line I get $10,000 into this account, and I have $3,000 on one of those days. If 30% of my total profit when I request a payout was made on one day, you're most likely not going to approve it. So you have to be pretty consistent. So like my $1,200 that I made today, if I was to make anywhere in the range of $900 to $1,300 or $800 to $1,400 the next 10 days straight, I'll be completely fine. But if I go and make, now you can go and make that crazy amount of money, but they're still just not going to pay you out to the next pay period, because then I mean, it's a balancing act. There's some things you have to know. You're using their money, so you have to follow their rules. That's just how that goes. But it's there. The potential is there. Now we're getting a little bit of a curl up stick. I wonder if this will break in trend. You done for the day? Okay. Ben's out of here. He's out of here. Well, in that case, I'll take this off and put my screen back to normal. Hold tight. Let me, I I gotta remember how to make myself big. Yeah, it's like that. It's gonna kick me out of this Discord group because Ben's not, but it's alright. Wait a second, my window capture is not working. That's not good. Y'all can't see my ugly face. But we're almost done anyway. Oh, wait a second. Where is Discord? Now that's kind of weird. That's actually extremely weird. It's not showing my cancel. How do I... It's not showing my Discord. That's kind of weird. Delete. My Discord is over there, right? Yeah. All of a sudden, I can't show you guys my Discord, which is weird. Always something, right? I gotta get all this reset up how I like it. If it's not set up properly and then you close or you close it and save it, it'll all open exactly how you had it. So you gotta make sure it's all set up the way you want it. Otherwise, it's not gonna be a fun experience. Alright, that's fixed. Now let's see if I can get this window capture to find Discord. Nope. It just ain't gonna find it. Oh wait. It just showed it, but then it didn't pull it up. What is going on here? I want to find this thing. It usually has no issues finding it, but now it is having a nightmare of a time. There it goes. Thank you. That was a pain in the butt to figure out. Alright. Well, folks, it was a good start to our PA account. So I ain't got no complaints on that front. Woohoo! It's a good start. Good start. Keep on grinding it. Make it a new low. Look at this. Looks like it may be a sell-off type of day. I mean, we've been pumping recently, so, and it could still turn around and come back up too throughout the day, but right now it's selling off everything. It does appear. Glad my stuff was fixed. Now I just got to make sure that that refund for the original PA fee hits. Thank you, Patrick. Got you. No, Patrick. Thank you, Patrick. Got it. Beautiful. Things are fixed. Patrick is the man at Apex Trader Funding. Don't get me wrong, Mike was trying to help me too, so I respect him trying. He just maybe knew, maybe just didn't know. Heck, I don't know everything either, so I get it. But thank you to him and Patrick at Apex Trader Funding for getting this fixed for me. And having us be able to show you guys a good PA trading day today. Good start to an account. We're pretty much done. It's pretty much just hanging out now. I gotta get some things going, man. I have got to get a job. You guys don't understand. I've been sitting here twiddling my thumbs, applying for places, getting denied, hoping for good news from Dan. And he is doing, and by the way, if anybody ever watches this, one thing, Dan is the man, for sure. And I know he's busy, and you know, helping run this company and everything, and I know he's had some unfortunate things happen in his life. So, I get it. I'm trying to be patient for both of them. I'm not the most patient person. I'm working on that. But I really do appreciate what he's trying to do for me. So I'm hopeful on that, because it would be ideal. And I love working with Dan. He's a great guy to work for. So easy to work for. Good boss, definitely. He very structured about it. He'll tell you what needs done, you get it done. I love people like that instead of all this. I mean, some people, you know, there are people you tell to do something that they don't get it done. So for him, it's frustrating, and I get that. But I'm not like, when he knows he tells me to do something, I'm gonna get it done, or he's gonna know why I can't get it done. She might be curling, folks. She might be curling here. Go see about, I guess I'm gonna check on my mom. I hadn't seen her in a few weeks. She just got back from my grandmother. Check on her, see if my dad wants to play disc golf, see if they need any help around the house. I could use some cash till I can get it. I really need to make something happen, dude. We're at the end of August. September's bills are coming around, and I ain't gonna have the money for them at the rate we're going. And I'm definitely not banking on a PA payout. You never bank on a PA payout. So if that happens, that'll just be happiness for, you know, help catch up on some bills. Which I am shooting for this month. I'm going to try to get a PA out this month. We're going to try to stay patient. If I take a loss in this PA, I'm done for the day. I'm pretty confident. If I take a $1,000 loss, I'm done. I have to come back the next day. Not gonna revenge trade the PA. Things have changed a little bit. This is a PA, not an eval, so we gotta be a little bit more controlled. But other than all of that, that's the life updates for my life. Other than that, don't get me wrong, I know I complain a lot on stream, but there's no, you don't have to worry about me doing anything or anything like that. I'm not too hard-headed. I'll make something happen. Y'all gonna have to deal with me for a while. So, but I'm also not one to hide what is truly happening. Some people would be scared to share things. And I know what I've said to Ben, if he's watching, not to share my business. But I can share my business if I feel comfortable. And I want everybody to know that there's nothing wrong with being down in the dumps. Life's ups and downs happen. I've been extremely up before, let me tell you. Life has been better than I could have ever hoped for, and I've been at the bottom. So I have a very good understanding, and I appreciate everything I have had and am given, and everything I have right now. I have a good family that's helpful, and it's loving, supportive. Don't get me wrong, they may not be loving and supportive and how other people view loving and supportive, but it's how my family works. And I know that they're doing a lot for me, Ben especially, so just wanted them to all know that I appreciate them, love them, and hopefully one of these adventures that I'm on, one of the four, whether it's the trading, the streaming, sports betting, job, one of these things will pay off one day, and I can repay them all in a currency fashion instead of just helping them with something. That's the goal. But anyway, y'all have a fantastic Monday. We will catch you guys tomorrow for the next attempt of this trading thing. If you guys are ever interested, and I know, you know, people may, if this ever takes off, may come back and watch these things. You know, ask questions in chat. If there's anything that we know an answer to, me and Ben will definitely answer them. If there's a thing you're curious about, you know, ask. Me and him are both mainly price action traders. We like to watch price action depending on and levels of where that price action is moving to. That's more like what we like to trade, so it's kind of how our strategies work. And other than that, man, y'all have a fantastic day, and we'll catch y'all tomorrow.